Namaste, viewers. It's Wednesday morning, February 19, 2025, and I'm your host, Sunil Thakker of Sunny Talks Money. Welcome to ST Money's early morning news, where we provide you the latest, concise, and precise stock market wrap. Benchmark equity indices gyrated in a narrow band, albeit with a negative bias on Tuesday, tracking cues from global peers. Mixed cues from Asian markets led Indian indices to open on a quiet note and trade in a range, with investors cautious ahead of the FOMC meeting minutes slated to be released on Wednesday. The key indices recover from early weakness, with Nifty 50 managing to sustain about 22,900. The BSE Sensex ended with a marginal loss of 29 points at 75,967. The NSE Nifty 50 signed off the day at 22,945, down just 14 points. Trend, IndusInd Bank, M&M, Ultratech Cement, Bharat Electronics were among the top losers on the Nifty, while the gainers included Tech Mahindra, Wipro, ONGC, Power Grid, and NTPC. On the sectoral front, IT and energy sectors emerged as top performers, while FMCG and auto sectors saw corrections of over 0.6%. In the broader markets, mid caps performed in line with the benchmark index, with small caps underperformed with a loss of more than 1.5%. The market correction in India since the last few months has seen shares of listed stockbrokers of the National Stock Exchange NSE tumble up to 70% at the bourses. While the Nifty 50 index has lost 9% since September 18, 2024, scripts of most listed stockbrokers too have felt the heat, with counters such as True Cap Finance, Geojit Financial Services, 5 Paise Capital, Prime Securities, SMC Global Securities, and Arihant Capital Markets underperform the frontline index by falling 30% to 70% during this period. LG Electronics has started roadshows to meet potential investors in the initial public offering of its Indian unit. The South Korean company recently kicked off the process as it moves forward with the listing plans. Bloomberg has also reported the IPO could raise $1 billion to $1.5 billion and value LG India as much as $15 billion. In the US overnight, the S&P 500 notched its second record high close of 2025 to kick off the shortened trading week. The Dow Jones Industrial Average rose 10 points or 0.02% to 44,556, and the S&P 500 gained 15 points or 0.24% to 6,129, while the Nasdaq Composite gained 14 points or 0.07% to 20,041. Brent crude is $75.81 a barrel. Gold is rupees 86,310 per 10 grams, and silver is rupees 97,340 per kilogram. Today's outlook for the Indian market. Nifty witnessed another day of volatility as the index failed to take a clear direction. In the short term, Nifty might remain a sell-on rise. Going forward, sideways trading is expected to persist as long as the index remains within the range of 22,800 to 23,100. A breakout on either side of this range will be essential for determining the next directional move in the market. Stocks to watch today: Tata Steel, Mahindra Lifespace, Aurobindo Pharma, Rail Vikas Nigam, Piramal Pharma, Hexaware, Indian Overseas Bank, L&T, Container Corporation of India, CCI, Cello World, RBM Infracon, Bharti Airtel, Voloccar, PS Raj Steels, and Max Bolt Energy Industries will be in focus on February 19. That's it for today, my dear viewers. And if you're enjoying this content, please do subscribe, like, and share this video as much as possible. I will see you again tomorrow morning. In the meantime, happy investing, stay inspired, and remember, it is all about money.